Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with week 19 of hashtag 30 weeks of a pocket letter. And it's of course October. And what is this date? October what? See, I am pre-recording and I don't even know the right date. It would be October 13th. That's the week we're on. And as you can tell, it's Halloween themed. So what I have here, some paper that came off Etsy. I bought it a while ago and I just printed a couple sheets off. And I have some washi tape that I had. And then these little resin pieces that I got off Amazon. And then the images, or the little ephemera images, are from the new Dollar Tree ephemera. And I just fussy cutted them and laid them out on each little page. And washi tape down the side, that's some Dollar Tree washi tape. I hope they come out with again Halloween washi tape because that'd be cool. So let's start at the top. At the top I have washi tape, October 31st, a witch's hat, and then a little resin piece of a cat. But here is Frankenstein. He's my favorite character. I got some of those washi tape with the eyes and then spider web here. And then over here, of course, the polka dotted washi tape, Boo, and a little ghost in a haunted house. And then I got the little cauldron with the witch's feet sticking out, and it says spooky. And I got a little bat, and then I got a piece it looks like a little piece of candy with an eyeball in it. Got the eyes again, Happy Halloween. Got some eyes down there, spider web. Over here, a little washi tape, haunted house, and a little black cat. Over here, some washi tape again. Oops. Some little candies. And then I got this little ghost candy bag. Right here I have eyes, some spiders, and a terrific time, and a little worm. And then here I have Trick or Treat and Frankenstein. And that's this pocket letter. That's the front. I'll show it to y'all again. It looks. Oops. And then the back side, some more paper off Etsy that I purchased a while ago and printed it off. It's got spider webs, jack-o'-lanterns, and skulls, and it's this light, pretty purple. And I got this washi tape from the Dollar Tree. That's a banner going across each top of the page. These are some more of those little journaling. They called them journaling cards. I don't know why. I just fussy cutted them out. And you have the spider and a little candy with a spider and a bat, a mummy, and it says eek, a jack-o'-lantern, a witch, another ghost that says boo, and a cupcake with a witch's hat on, and it says wish you a beautiful Halloween. I got a little candy sucker with a little kitty cat, happy Halloween with a jack-o'-lantern, and some I don't remember what they call them, but it's eerie. Spider web and some spiders. And science experiment or something. And that's what this one looks like. And this one. And then I just got some jack-o'-lantern washi tape going down the side. Now, anybody can join into this 30 weeks of pocket letter, even if we're 19 weeks into it. All you have to do is do a pocket letter, put in a hashtag 30 weeks PL, load the video up on Wednesdays, and show us what you create. This is co-hosted by Sabrina, the Mismatched Crafter, as well as myself. We have a few other ladies that have been doing it. It's been fun. Like I said, I am on week 19, so you're seeing this on the 19th of October. I am recording it on the 5th of September. I am a little ahead of myself, but that's all right. I've been waiting to do this for over 2 months, guys, because I was pre-recorded up to September, and now I can finally do Halloween because I got it all out. I'm doing Halloween for a few weeks here. So I hope you can enjoy these pocket letters. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. Have a good week.